friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a cute little hut. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the roof. We're going to make a triangle shape, but with 3 layers. Great job! It looks like a cozy roof already. Now, let's draw the wall. We'll make it cylinder shaped so it looks round and cute. Perfect! Next, let's add a door so people can go inside. Draw a tall oval shape in the middle of the wall. Add a little circle for the doorknob. There we go, the hut can now be opened. Let's draw the base of the hut. Nice! Now, draw some grass next to the hut, a few pointy leaves growing up from the ground. Looks fresh and green. Let's decorate. Add some curved lines and little short lines to make the land look nice and to give texture to the roof. Wow, it's looking so good. Time to add some clouds in the sky. Draw 2 small, puffy clouds above the hut. Cute and fluffy. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make it pop. Wow, it looks amazing! Yay! Now it's time to color. We're going to use rainbow colors today. Hold up your coloring pens. Here we go. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! You did such an awesome job drawing and coloring your hut. Don't forget to show your family and friends your amazing artwork. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.